For this video, I am going to teach you how to create email template in Mailchimp. The process is fairly simple. The first thing that you need to do is to head over to mailchimp.com and then just log in into your account if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account yet, just make sure to sign up. So after logging into your account, you should be able to see this on your screen. So we are at the home page or dashboard of Mailchimp. And then what we are going to do next is to click this create button situated on the upper left part of your screen. And then from the options, so we have three. So we have regular email, automation, and landing page. What we are going to pick is the regular email. So click design email. And once you are in here, you just need to fill in all of your informations. So the two, you can add recipients if you haven't yet, but I'm just leaving that as is. So from, so okay with what I have in there. And for the subject, click add subject. Now just add in my subject and do the same for my preview text. Click save. And then now for the send time, and since I only have a free account, I cannot choose schedule a time because then I need to upgrade my plan. So I'm sticking with send now. Click save. And now for the content, just go ahead and design your email. Now you have this option to use templates if you want to, but if you don't want to use templates, what you can do is to go back, and then once you go back, you'll see this section right here and click resolve. You'll be directed onto this page right here, and on this page, this is where you can add different contents for your email or for your template. So now I'm just going to add a photo for my template, upload image, and select this one. And then I'm just going to also edit out or edit the content of my email. For the header, I'm going to change that. Now there's that. Now on the section right here, you can save that as is, but you can also add different elements. So just pick from the options that you have on the left side bar of your screen. So what I need to do, or what I want to do, is to add product right here. Sorry, I'm going to delete that one. Instead of a product, I am going to add a paragraph. And then I'm just going to fill in all of this information right here. So that I'm just going to edit out the layout of this one. So I'm going with this. Now, after adding a sentence or a paragraph in my email, I'm going to add more. And I'm going with a spacer on this section right here. So now, once you are satisfied with what you have, you can now save it as a template. So you can do that by going on to the upper right corner of your screen, and instead of clicking into the save and exit button, click this downward arrow on the most right part and then select save as template from the options. So go ahead and name your template. So I'm going to name it as sample template. There you go, and hit save. So now what we need to do here, if you want to use that template, so I'm just going to save and exit out of here. And then I'm just going to go back, and now I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to choose regular email, and now just basically do the same. So I'm going with add subject, hit save, wait for it, and set time. And now we are going to design the email. So now once you are in here, what you need to do, instead of choosing from the templates or choosing from the Mailchimp templates, we needed to do is to go to the save templates. It should be the second option that you have on the upper part of your screen. And now just select the template that you want to use. So as you can see, it is this template that we created earlier named sample template. So apply it for a few seconds. And now the template is applied to your current design. If you want to, you can edit the details and the information according to your wants. You can personalize it according to the customer that you're sending the email to. And once you are satisfied with what you have, you can just save and exit or send test to yourself if you want to do that. But I'm just going to save and exit out of here. And there you go. That is how you can create a template in Mailchimp and use it for your new emails. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.